Our body's largest organ is the liver. In addition, it has a lot of duties include filtering and getting rid of contaminants through urination, as well as converting the food we eat into energy. If you are tuned in, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos as we grow this community. Acute liver injury can start with very few symptoms or indicators. But as soon as your liver's enzyme levels rise, you'll have hepatitis, cirrhosis, or fatty liver disease, among other health problems. Here are 5 simple lifestyle adjustments you can make to safeguard your largest organ and reduce liver enzyme levels. 1. Stop drinking alcohol. The liver already has a difficult time processing alcohol. Because of this, if you drink a bit too much and too frequently, your liver will be hurt. Stopping alcohol use is the greatest way to lessen elevated liver enzyme levels. If you do not totally abstain from alcohol, you should limit your weekly alcohol consumption to no more than 7 or 8 drinks. The liver handles alcohol like a poison since it can have damaging effects on it, therefore it might be tough for your to metabolize alcohol, especially if you drink a lot and frequently. Alcoholism and excessive drinking can permanently harm your liver. The National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism claims that taking acetaminophen and up to 3 beers at once can be harmful to the liver. The basic message is that avoiding alcohol can help lower liver enzymes because it can have serious detrimental consequences on the it. 2. Lessen environmental exposure. Environmental pollutants, including hazardous chemicals that harm your liver, include chemical cleaners, sunscreens, personal care items, fragrances, detergents, paint fumes, and even secondhand cigarette smoke. Replace your name brand soaps, shampoos, and cleaning supplies with natural alternatives that don't contain any chemicals. People today are much more inquisitive and knowledgeable about the ingredients in their household goods and what their bodies are absorbing from the products they use. Society now demands more knowledge than ever before, whether it is about petroleum distillates in your laundry detergent or lead in your lipstick. As a result, many companies now provide more information about their manufacturing processes and the safety regulations they adhere to. Additionally, it has led to the emergence of numerous new businesses that sell natural and organic items, making it much simpler to protect. 3. Cut processed foods. Boxed, prepared foods are incredibly high in refined sugar and sodium. Not to mention the preservatives and additives, which by any standard are definitely not considered healthy. By eliminating them entirely from your diet and replacing them with fresh, natural foods, you may quickly improve the health of your liver. Your liver has to work harder to remove the poisons from processed foods. You are more vulnerable to injury from the poisons your it was unable to adequately process because of this compromised state, which makes it difficult for your liver to execute its function. Look for natural alternatives, such as honey or stevia, when you are wanting sugar. You should also think about consuming foods that can cleanse your liver because eliminating processed foods from your diet is an easy strategy to promote liver health and stop unneeded damage. You'll feel better overall if you eat fruit during snack time and lots of vegetables at lunch and dinner. 4. Eat whole foods. Concentrate on eating organic, whole foods that don't have any additional preservatives. Make it a habit to shop primarily in the fresh produce aisles on the outside of the grocery store rather than the interior aisles where processed foods are kept on shelves. Consume a lot of fresh produce to benefit from its detoxifying abilities, which are excellent for liver health. Increase your intake of grapefruit, apples, leafy greens, garlic, and other healthy foods. These are only a few of the nutrients that can help the liver naturally cleanse itself. Additionally, avoid the impulse purchases at the checkout at the ends of interior aisles because they are never healthy. If you are still tuned in, please like, comment, and subscribe to join us on our road to help change the world. 5. Cut beef for chicken. Beef is tough to digest and heavy in protein and fat. Your liver can only process so much protein and fat at once, so when you eat it too much or too frequently, your liver has to deal with the extra protein and fat. The waste is then stored, which could have a negative impact on your health. Lean protein is still necessary for your body to function correctly. So stick to less fattening meats like fish, poultry, nuts, beans, and lower fat dairy that are simpler to digest. Your liver plays a crucial role in your body. It eliminates dangerous toxins, transforms food into energy, makes protein, and aids in maintaining your metabolism. A dysfunctional or damaged liver might have an effect on other parts of your body. The possible risks from some foods should make taking care of your liver a top priority. Therefore, even if you enjoy eating red meat, try to limit how much and how often you consume it. To summarize, the liver is very important for a plethora of reasons. The main reason for the liver is to break down materials in the body so it can be properly distributed throughout the body. Being that it is the largest organ, maintaining well-being of the liver can prevent many difficulties in the future. Things like excess protein, alcohol, and processed foods are very difficult to break down. You should think twice about what goes into your body. Thank you for watching.